thing that I said, who won the BMW? See there? One man in
The red car? Oh, red BMW?
The one for the pastor in that way. He think
Black
one
out
for
in red.
people look at alarm to say,
The day you come from.
Oh, Jesus.
this is not nice.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Silent Dread, Silent Ras, Rebel Silent, Nuclear Rastaman, Country Boss, big up yourself. Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm taking you straight to Jamaica with the gang murder them, the murders, the cult, and the corruption. Now, what is going on in Jamaica? Can anybody explain this? No, we have a prime minister seen there in front of you. Him seem like him totally detached from the country. When he make a speech, it seemed like him attack to the plutocracy, the bigger head them in our country, and people with education and money and them thing there. It's definitely a two-class system, rich and poor, and really nothing else he might deal with. Now look at the picture in front of you. What is wrong with that picture? A pure negativity. Pure negativity, you know. Now, you have the Prime Minister, you have Chang, Horace Chang, Duppy Flim, the pastor from the miserable church, cartel, black man, police commissioner, bully, the four people them in a Clarendon will get slapped with. You have the dirty police boy right here, so Chucky Brown, Dog Pa. You have that girl, the Muggle girl, where them find her body in a mobile. And you have Rifle and Wani and Waldie. What a state of confusion and corruption. Now, this is just a snapshot, because just imagine if we have put gang member and confusion and corruption upon the wall. We could have probably stretched it from Jamaica to China to blow out. Now, you have the Prime Minister, him. It's my opinion now. Me hear say him come from Spanish Town. Clansman them there so. Then him constituency at Kingston 11 are one of the worst place in Jamaica. That brother here, the Chinese dude there, Chang, security minister, maybe him come from. Me hear say him a link with certain kind of people in the community. Him know everything we are going. Same with Anjo. You understand? Me hear Chang say, if really, them have community, him do the speech the other day, couple days ago, and them are invest. So them are put the police them in there along with programs for the community. None of that now go on. You understand? when them talk about people, them a talk about the people them like cockroach. You understand? Then it just goes on and on. Then you have Duppy Flynn, him and Black Man, Broke Badness, King of Broke Badness and Hungry Badness. Yeah, them say Duppy Flynn, him go Yeti walk over this, that, sort of sitting. But them youth you have to understand. You can't make money and deal with violence. You see what I say? When you make money, you make money. If you deal with violence, you deal with violence. You understand? Then you have the police commissioner, him. All him do. You don't know the salary where the brother they get. I don't want to tell a lie now, you know. I do not want to tell a lie, but the brother get about 5 million for him pay. And then him have car, him have uniform, him have a whole bunch of allowance along with a big time benefit. And when you hear them talk about the gang situation and the garrison neighborhood, you would think it's two different Jamaica. Number one, how the man get gun, why the man them have a pick up gun, why the man them have a rob. Why is Jamaica the way it is? Can we ask that question? No. Look at the screen in front of you. Prime Minister again. You see, Mr. Vaz, the corrupt politician. Paula Lewin, another corrupt politician. No. You think them really want to fix Jamaica, dog? No. We sell out everything in our country to China. China own the wharf. How can you sell the port of your country? Them sell the airport. Them sell all of the beach, them. There is nothing. No. Them know say the people them need jobs. Them not do nothing to try and create new jobs. Them say Jamaica is a service sector. Meaning you're working at the hotel or you're a domestic worker. That's majority of the job them. And medial labor. The education system, them need to fix that. 45% of the boys them now go school. That's why you have so much criminal. Them know them thing, you know. Them themselves say from the youth them young, you have to take them under your wing. So why we don't have free education and streamlined education to university and use tourism tax money pay fee? Why we don't have a food program for the kids them, like food stamp? Why we don't have free health? Like Barbados and the rest of the country them. You don't know how much money Jamaica get in terms of aid. You never look on Kingston Public Hospital. Why we not build some big prison and streamline everything? Turn them in a production workshop, make the man them build car, build license plate, build uniform. Why do we have so much boards in Jamaica? Boards of this, boards of peace, director of peace, Southeast branch board, why there is so much political appointments in Jamaica. You have the office of the Prime Minister, the Under Secretary, the Minister without portfolio, the this, the that. No, Paula Lewin, she has been the prosecutor for the island, which is written in the Constitution, if you never know, for about 13, 14 years, and look upon the crime situation in the island. Why, what is the problem? There's a backlog on court case. All them things I can't fix, all them things them people you know, black man them have to turn to crime and extortion because them living in the ghetto and nothing now go on for them. And uptown now give them a blight. Everybody know that. You understand? So why them not fix those problems? The next thing you have the man them they are foreign. Like rifle, one of them come back a yard. And rifle, before him invest meaningfully in the community, we can provide long-term job infrastructure and economic growth, education and social engineering. What him do? Him keep boat ride, him keep big party, them beer in a champagne. Look where him end up. Let's move on. So now, you have the boy, the dirty police boy, Chucky Brown. Now, him take it up on for himself, for execute citizen. Like what the police them do all the time, because them get frustrated, because instead of the government work with them, what the government do, the government dump everything upon them and give the police this incredible budget, but yet still them not have body camera. You understand? Them not have body camera, you know. A simple thing like body camera when you go up on our apps, or every day you wear it, and GPS, and lie detector test. Then there are three simple things. Them can bring in another police force. You understand? Then you have cartel, charged with murder and they are prisoner and make peer music about this and that and all sort of thing. You have the crazy part because him say things out of whack. DARPA, casualty to the situation. I mean, and it goes on and on and on. Yo, the problem, one of the biggest problems with Jamaica, them come Americanize and them run with it. Yo, like the FBI them say, you can't tame them unruly, and we become Americanized and we run with the foreign thing. And at that, I help mash up a country. Yo, this is my take on it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. And hopefully, when the video come out, people in Jamaica can get it. We have to share it and make them know, yo, we need this for change. This is a state of chaos. Countryman, I'm out.